much going on in entertainment all over the world. Where to start? Let's head straight to the Intense 5. Just a few weeks after his death, and Gully Bop's family are refusing financial aid. They say that lack of money has nothing to do with the delay in setting a date for the funeral. Is it true that DeMarco isn't responding to clash calls for Sting? And what's going on with him and Coyote? Hopefully all will be revealed at the launch. Did Adele tie the knot again? Well, she hasn't confirmed it, but the singer was spotted wearing a huge ring on her wedding finger at a basketball game she attended with her man Rich Paul, so who knows? Riri's baby daddy A$AP Rocky heads to court next year on charges of first-degree assault with a firearm. The rapper apparently has been accused of shooting at A$AP Relly multiple times, with one of the bullets grazing his hand. And finally holding the spot this week, Diddy got out of that Cassie issue real quick, okay? He wasn't planning on going to court. But of course, Pandora's box has been opened. Another female has come out accusing the rap mogul of sexual abuse back in 1991. We'll definitely keep you posted on that one. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember, you can hit us up anytime at TVJ Intense on Instagram. Up next, Straplan tells Richie why it's all about hit after hit. We zoom forward.